just...
All right, today we're gonna bring in a water filter for your cats or dogs. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. You get the manual and the warranty information. We get every package. In the package, you also get a couple covers that you need to be aware. Then we get the main system here, wall secure. I'm gonna start taking all the foam, the motors, and everything that's included in here. This is the actual system that's going to be filtering pretty much the whole entire system. Along with the reservoir, you get the actual motor and the fill up area to actually fill up the water, if you guys can see. And there's a sensor in here that's going to indicate when the water is running low. So we're going to put it together and see how it works. So this is charging station. If you guys can see that, you can plug it in. Type C, you plug it in and you dock it in. Type C here. So these are the filters that you're going to need to replace every couple months, all right? So this is going to keep your water clean and away from algae or any bacteria. So here's a docking station. Just make sure that this part right here is facing on this side. So we're going to put this together right now. Let me put the bay in first, right? Bay goes in here. And this has to be here because it actually has the docking area. Put it in there. So we're gonna move the water a little bit down so you can see that it's gonna refill itself up. It's gonna refill itself up. So water goes down here. All right, so it goes certain level. If you can see, I moved the water down and it starts refilling back itself again. So it's gonna always be clean water on the top. And you can always refill it from the top. Look at, there's no overflow. It goes back into the reservoir. Plus, the best thing about it is that it's a see-through. You can see exactly how much water you have. It's filling itself automatically, but when it kind of, all the water goes back to the reservoir or it goes below a certain level, it refills it up by itself. Dude, the video's over. You don't have to drink no more.
Oh, it refills it.
It refills it again.